Okay, listen up.
Alright.
I don't know how many of you know what we're going up against. I know information has been put around, but I don't know how far it's reached. So, I will tell you what I know. For a shout. Sorry, I didn't realise you can't hear me. I'm normally quite loud.
No, there's people.
Your voice is fading a bit. I can hear you fine.
So, we are going to the Reaving tree. As far as we are aware, there are 4 chambers within it, each filled with poison, each worse than the last. The reason the foresters brought this Reaving tree, that it thought it was a good idea, was because outsiders with sharp tools forged in fire cut them down. Which basically says axes are a no. So, or rather, not a no, but we don't know how it will react to them. Okay? So, we don't know what's in these chambers other than the potential for poison. It's likely we're all going to come back diseased. I think that's fairly safe to say, since we go to the source.
May or may not be less of a problem depending on the outcome of this.
Correct. So, with that in mind, we have an object which will allow someone to meld with the tree in order to commune with it.
That's my job.
I've asked Osric to do it, as I feel he's probably best connected to nature.
I couldn't think of a better person.
Absolutely. So, with that in mind, the tree is in that field and across in the denser part of the woods, all right, diagonally. Now, diagonally across that field's a bitch. So we're not going to go diagonally, we'll probably walk along this side in the shade and then up, all right?
And
But it is very long grass. Please check for ticks when you get back. All right?
that's the spirit. Not me, I'm gonna run back.
I'll say that you went to hug a tree. I'll tell you where you went. And then you come back to the tree. That's true.
Well, I will be looking for you. At the moment I see the tree, these guys are going to beat a path for me to get into it.
You're from the monastery, like me. You know how to resist.
That's okay.
Your mind and body, you are.
Are you getting paid for this? Handsomely?
This is not a contract. I mean, this is an obligation to the courts. This is some prodigy I need to protect.
Oh. So he's leading the way then?
Yeah, this is the Winter Court herself said I need to look after this one.
Approving maybe?
She described them as a humanoid-esque entity, but a prodigy nonetheless.
Alright.
He's already slain 156 entities today.
Really? Wow. I don't know what that number is, but...
Some people here are quite high.
I don't really have time.
Long, as long as you.
No, we're not supposed to be coming. So maybe look.
You expect to come out this one alive?
I expect to come out this one a hero.
Oi!
Yeah, Fenris and Myers will wreck, I reckon.
Oh, I think I'll be alright.
I think I'm going to be surviving this. If I can get to the tree. Yeah.
And then you get hit.
All of our job is.
You have to get your energy back.
And to your left, Connell's tree. That is Connell's tree.
I was there when they were
Shine O'Reilly. Yeah? You need willpower, we need to leave. Give a bit more time.
Okay, so we do have the time to...
Oh, is it 30 minutes? Oh, right, we're not doing that. I didn't realise it was that long. No. It was a bit like a man around.
No.
All right, no, mine is normal.
30 minutes and everything.
I think at one point it was 10 minutes, but...
pivotal situation. I've got to get there.
Can't you just have a nice meal?
Count on my help to get you there then.
a nice tick walk.
Your moment, your calling, one of many.
Nice.
I hope you come out alive. I'm glad that the sword has finally been dealt with.
At the end of the day, this is a good day for us. In the service of the land. And I am prepared.
You're pretty pro. Oh, broke like a man who's been around a long time.
No. I just know that if it is my time, I will take it like a
And you
true
haven't
warrior.
seen this path before you?
This path?
Does it end today?
No, don't know. It's unwritten. The future is always unwritten.
Good man.
It's the only truth.
I'll walk it because my God tells me to. And I'm happy.
I respect the man who says it.
I need no other.
You're highly logical and one come down with things. You should have told us once you
People fought.
felt them.
Is Yizbit around?
I cannot prepare everybody for all they can do to lose in the way.
She did let you come, right? She did say you could come, right?
You can take a horse forward, but you can't make it.
I agree.
They can find their own way to their own door.
Right, the car is all the way up the hill.
You already know what you know.
She should be fine.
Both of our paths. Today.
There are lots of them.
I couldn't do it.
Warriors on me! I'm waiting just a moment, we'll get everyone up.
There.
Let's go.
There we go. Our ward is charged in.
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay, sorting trees every day. I'm friends!
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Time in! And I like dropping trees.
Lovely.
Ah,
Corpses in trees.
that smells horrible.
What you see before you is corpses hanging from the tree, rotting away.
Oh. All right.
Mass fear!
Ah.
Remember your training. Focus.
Where are they going? Where's everyone going?
There. Remember your training.
Where's everyone going? Come on!
Everybody run away.
There. There.
You made this decision to stop the Reaving thing.
Come on, let's go.
For the most part, what you see before you are a whole bunch of corpses.
We need a gem weapon. I'm dead. Look back.
Oh, they're undead.
We need gem.
I've got gem.
All right. Stay on the. Stay ready. Yeah. Is it regenerating?
I have no idea what it's doing. I don't know the undead. It's just dead. You need to kill it with gem.
I've got gem.
Hello. It just might find out. Does Gem kill him?
I got you guarded against this one. Okay.
Yeah.
I have Gem.
Final strike down.
Do you need it? Do you think we could get in close enough to just gem it right now? Or is that one of those kind
All
of
of you with gem weapons, hit the corpses hanging from the trees.
I'll guard you.
Final wound them.
Oh god.
Go, Osric. Ready?
Gem.
Jam.
Gem. 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 Gem.
Gem only counts the last hit.
Still a hit though.
Yeah.
Final hit.
Careful, the tree hits quite hard.
The tree's very angry at us.
I've got Gem weapon.
All right.
I've got jam.
Is he still hanging? They're still all hanging.
Enter this tree. By the power of the green.
That's it, finished.
What's finished? All right. Sorry, I didn't even notice.
Was that a gem weapon?
Yes, this is a gem weapon here.
Oh, I'm shaking.
Blocked off and such.
Oh, my fur's on end.
Double gem. Vin, main double.
Yes, definitely. Go for it. Make sure you don't get hit.
Arms hanging.
Healer. Over here, Margaret.
Lost. Vin,
Have you got your gem weapon?
double.
Logan's got it.
They're taking a hell of a beating.
Who's they?
The corpse is hanging from the trees.
Look at that one keep doing this big. Get someone with a bow quarter.
Someone with a bow.
No actual effect on me.
That one.
Someone used mass spray when that.
He's in.
Oh, the tree's active. Maybe it's our ally now covering the tree.
No, it definitely isn't.
That's the one.
Logan.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well that was the best use of that.
He's doing right. How strong are you?
I've got strength too.
That's right.
You need help.
Wait. Wait. We're trying to help. Trying to help with the reaving. Don't attack the world.
No. Down. Get them.
It's saying.
No.
Theodore!
Gem weapons.
Hey, Jackson.
I've got jam.
Can you speak with Woad? Can you speak with Woad?
No. I speak beast other languages, but and if I hear them speaking, I can possibly.
Osric is the only one that I know that speaks it, and he's in the tree.
I know one other person who speaks good words, but they're not here.
Fine, John. Here.
Sorry, heavy.
No, you got it.
No!
No.
That one.
No, that's a tree.
Right.
No, the tree.
Stop attacking the corpses.
Sorry, I will punish this man.
Stop attacking the corpses.
I am sorry. Sorry. O'Reilly. There's one right in front of you. It's looking for man-made weapons. These are
O'Reilly, stop attacking the corpses. Stop. No, stop, don't attack the road.
double, triple, or burn it, or whatever.
Fear me! Fear me!